Hey man, what's up, veggies?
Okay, today we're gonna play a game of who knows each other best. The loser has to drink a raw egg. The rules are, I ask him a question about me. He has to answer it. What's my favorite football club? It's correct.
Favorite car?
Fuck, I knew you would ask that. Lamborghini.
You have to write it down.
Lamborghini.
Whoa!
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh! Okay, my favorite music band.
Show the titties.
Oh, I knew it! No. Not now. It's Katy Perry. What the fuck? Jerking fabbing!
Favorite food?
So, as you know, we're from Poland and you have a thing called pierogi, and I think that's it.
It's pierogi.
Is it?
No, but it's mostly steak, but...
No, I'm okay, then I'm not right. Okay, it's steak. I
But
didn't.
it's pierogi.
Yo! When is my birthday? No, don't look at my paper. It's so close to yours. It's your titties. Okay, he's right. Okay.
Favorite dish?
Hey, wait a minute. Refreshing juice. Steak. Pierogi. Favorite hobby? That's a lifestyle. What? Football?
Football?
Okay, it is football. So 3-2. Fuck. Come on, show them what you.
Okay.
What's your type of girl and men? I'm not gonna write that. I'm just gonna say it. She has to be tall, taller than him.
Taller than me.
Okay. What is my current education? So. Whoa, correct.
What do you love most?
What do you love most? Stroking the tip.
Jackie Babbitt.
Bullshitting. What is it?
Pierogi, man.
Fuck you. What's my position in football? I wish.
Midfield.
You actually won. I lost. I know, but I'm gonna take it as a man. An egg and a glass. I'm gonna take it as a man. Keep the juice ready for me. No, open it, man. Oh! Know your enemy better than he knows you, because otherwise you're gonna drink an egg. Oh, I can feel the gains. Yeah, okay. Bye, subscribe.
See you, veggies?